Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2022 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck. As we enter the boat, you'll see the stadium seating, large tandem helm chairs with flip back backrest. Your helm has a digital dash, 12-inch Simrad, Fusion Apollo stereo, digital throttle. One of the unique features of this boat is you have a huge storage area slash head. You also have a very unique walk-through on the port side that takes you up through the bow area, which is very large, cup holders, cooler. Looking aft, you can see a really good view of the seating. You also have your battery switch located down below and a flip back backrest that opens up to a very large sun pad. If you have any questions or would like to see this boat in person, give me a call. 704-215-3599. Again, it's Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman.